Dear all, wish you a very good day. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the different binary codes and their categorization. We have looked at how binary codes can be categorized based on their different characteristics, such as weighted codes and non-weighted codes, numeric codes, alphanumeric codes, and then there were sequential codes, and so on. In the present video lecture, we are going to study about 8421 BCD. 8421 BCD code is one of the most important codes, and it is being utilized in most of the places. Okay, it is very similar to 4-bit binary code. So let us see what this code consists of and what is the arithmetic related to this code. Okay, so 8421, also known as binary coded decimal, that is BCD, or natural binary coded decimal. Okay, in this code, each digit or each decimal digit 0 to 9 is coded by a 4-bit binary number. It is also called natural binary code because of 8, 4, 2 and 1 weights attached to it. These are the same weights which we will encounter in binary if only 4 bits are involved. Okay, it is weighted and a sequential code. Okay, so it is a weighted code, that is it has positional weights attached to them. It maintains a proper sequence. Its main advantage is the ease of conversion from and to decimals, so it can easily be converted to and from decimal numbers. But it is less efficient than binary in the sense that it requires more number of bits. Binary numbers require less number of bits, but whereas 8421 will require at least and at most 4 bits for representation of any number. Okay, another disadvantage is arithmetic operations are more complex than they are in binary, so its arithmetic complications may also be increased. Okay, now there are 6 illegal states, because if we are using 4-bit binary, then we will be using 0, then it can represent 0 to 9 and A to F, different digits. Now only 0 to 9 are legal digits because these are decimal numbers. A to F are since part of hexadecimal code, so they are not part of BCD. Therefore their binary equivalents are illegal. These are 1010, 1011, 1100, 1101, 1110 and 1111, representing A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, now these 6 digits are also not part of our BCD or 8421. Another disadvantage is rules of binary addition and subtraction do not apply to entire 8421 number. Okay, so if we have a number such as 21, which is represented in BCD as 00100001, then the rules of addition and binary subtraction, that is binary addition and subtraction rules, do not apply to 2 or 21 as a whole, but only to the BCD for 2 and BCD for 1 individually. We will be looking at the examples and then it will be much better understood. Okay, so let us look at 8421 BCD addition. Addition is performed by adding corresponding digits of decimal number expressed in 4-bit binary group starting from LSD. So starting from LSD, in the group of 4 bits, we start our addition and subtraction process. If there is no carry, okay, and some term is not an illegal code, then no correction is needed. Okay, so if there is no carry over and the sum term which has been used is not an illegal code, then no correction is needed. If there is a carry out from one group to the next group, or if the sum terms is illegal, so if in addition the first 4-bit groups to the next 4-bit group there is a carry over, or any of the term in any of group terms, 4-bit group terms is an illegal state, then 6 is added to the sum term of that group and resulting carry is added to the next group. Okay, now this is done to skip any of the 6 illegal states, because when carry is generated again it will be a part of an illegal state. Okay, let us look at an example, it will be more clear. Suppose we are adding a number 679.6 plus 536.8. So first of all, individual bits will be represented. This is how BCD is represented. This is for 679.6, then 536.8, and now we have to add these numbers. Okay, now if we will add 6 plus 8, this will come out to be 1110. On addition we get 1111, here 1010 and 1011. Now these all four are illegal states, as these are part of these 6 digits. Okay, so now we have to correct these digits. To correct these digits, we will have to add number 6 to them. So we will add 6 to each, 0110, 0110 in each digit, and then we will get an answer here. Here a carryover is there, then we can add it here. Carryover is there, we can add it here, carry it over here, and it is left. So it comes out to be 1216.4. And if we will add this in decimal number, again we will get the same answer. Okay, in this way carry is carried out, in this way addition is carried out if there are illegal states. The same procedure would have been utilized if there is carry in the initial addition. However, if carry is there after adding 6, then 6 will not be added again to these numbers. Okay, now subtraction of 8421. It is performed by subtracting the digits of each 4-bit group of the subtractant from the corresponding 4-bit group of the minute. In the binary, starting from LSD, again from LSD we will start on subtracting 4-bit individual groups. Now if there is no borrow from the next group, no correction is required, else 6 is subtracted from the difference term of this group. So if a particular group does not have a borrow from the previous group or from the next group, if a particular group is not having any borrow taken from the next group, then it does not require any corrections and it is in its perfect form. So no correction will be required. However, if there is a borrow from the next case, then 6 is subtracted from the difference term of this group. Okay, this difference term is done to skip the 6 illegal states. Okay, for example 206.7 minus 147.8. Again individual binary groups have been taken here, representing 206.7 and 147.8. Now on subtraction we will get the answer such as this. There will be borrow, okay, in each case, so we will be correcting those terms. Okay, so we will be subtracting from those terms where borrow has been taken. We will be subtracting 1, the value 6. No borrow was taken from this case, so it is left as such, whereas for the rest of the cases borrow was there, so we are going to subtract 6 and we will get the answer such as this. Okay, so our answer will finally come out to 58.9, which is same as that in the decimal arithmetic. Okay, we can also use 9s and 10s complement method for the BCD calculation and subtraction. Here is a quick example regarding this. Okay, 9's complement 305 minus 168.8, that comes out to be this. So using 9's complement, we will use 9's complement 168, it comes out to 831 point this. Now 831, we will add these two numbers. This is end around carry, it is added here and we will get 136. In this way addition can be performed, but it is using 9's complement, it is not at all using our binary arithmetic. So in the similar way 10's complement can also be utilized. 342.7 minus 108.9, 233.8. then we will take 10's complement 108.9, which comes out to be 891.0 plus 1, that is 891.1. Okay, then this will be added to this term. This is the answer. This is end around carry, which can be ignored, and we will get our perfect answer. Okay, in this way BCD calculations can be handled. In the next lecture we are going to look at XS3 codes. Thank you.